Hello and welcome to this instructional video, where I'm going to show you how to create a simple scan workflow from Kofax Control Suite for use with a Brother device. Its intention is simply to give anyone some hands-on experience. When it's made, end users will be able to scan their documents to a Windows folder. To get started, I am going to open the AutoStore Process Designer, which is one of the utilities within Control Suite. Then click the New button from the taskbar. From the Task Properties window, I am going to call this new task Scan to Folder. Then click the OK button. From here, I have a blank canvas where I am able to build my simple workflow. Since I will be using a Brother device to scan from, I am going to drag and drop the Unified Client data capture icon onto the canvas, like this. I am now going to search for the Send to Folder root component, which is further down the task list, and then drag and drop it onto the canvas. Now all the components are ready, I will configure them by double-clicking the Unified Client icon. Then select the Common Group option. From here, I need to create a basic form from the Add Form drop-down list. I'm going to call this new form Scan to Folder, which is also the name end users will see on their Brother device. From the list of scanning settings, I'm going to select Brother, which simply means that this workflow is intended to work on the Brother device. I am now going to click the Components tab. Then click the three little dots next to the Send to Folder component. Then click the Add button. From the folder path bar, I am going to select the destination where I want the documents scanned by the Brother device to go to. To confirm, I will click the OK button here, as well as here, and again here. Before I close this window as well, I want to show you something important in the Preferences tab. I want to show you these security settings, which corresponds to these settings in DRS, Device Registration Service. As you can see, one of these options is to enable TLS. If this is enabled in your environment, you will also need to select the Use SSL option here and configure a certificate. Since this is only a demo server, I don't have it enabled. To close this window, click the OK button. All I need to do now is enable the Control Suite AutoStore service, as shown here, and then enable the new workflow I just made. Because I forgot to save my workflow earlier on, I'm being asked to do it now, before it can be activated. Please note that it must be saved in this specific location. However, its name can be whatever you want. I'm calling mine Scan to Folder. With both of these services now running, end users can now see and use my simple scan workflow. Thank you. Kofax Control Suite is capable of managing much more intelligent scan workflows than this. For details and support on how to create them, please contact Kofax.